What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and we are in the kitchen, as you can see. And today, this is the night before Thanksgiving, guys, and we will be making some
cheesecake.
Malia wanted some cheesecake, so we decided that we're going to be making some cheesecake for her and let her do it herself as well, so she will learn. So let's tell the people, what do you have so far to make this cheesecake? You have the
cream cheese.
You have the cream cheese.
And milk.
Have some condensed milk.
And vanilla.
You're going to be putting 2 crusts.
Yeah.
2 pie crusts. We have 2 pie crusts and lemon. So, guys, and don't forget the mixer. You're going to need a mixer. All right. So, let's begin.
What do I do?
And also make sure that your cream cheese are softened, really soft, before you put it. Open it up. Happy holidays to you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I know most of everybody gonna be in the kitchen tonight, tomorrow early, just cooking it up with family, friends. Shout out to you guys. Enjoy.
How do you open this?
I just ripped it open. And guys, we did wash our hands before the camera. We should have did it on camera as well. We're gonna do it for you guys. Wash your hands. All right, here we go. Rip it up like that. Leah's gonna put that in there. Pour that in there. And wash my hands again. Leah, wash your hands if I quit. Alright, I re-washed my hands, so now we're gonna, ooh, that thing glossy. Just gonna mix it around.
Wow, this is not...
Just mix it, go ahead. You good.
Can you put it down?
I just wanted them to see.
Oh. Why is this one so far to the side?
Just helping her out a little bit. With the mixer. Alright, get the condensed milk. So that's some mix. We're gonna pour what's next?
Condensed milk.
You know what? Alright. You can use whatever condensed milk you prefer. We use this one. Yeah. I know you be wanting to eat it. Here, pour. You're gonna pour all of that in.
All of it?
Oh, we're gonna just pour and blend, pour and blend. All right, let me blend some. Or you blend some while I pour. Go ahead.
Me?
Blend it up.
Look.
Okay, let's pour some more.
Can I have the rest?
Yeah. Oh, I got some on it. Wipe it off.
Hey, say something for me.
Condensed milk tastes so good, guys. Hold it, let me get a spoon. Pour.
You said what?
I'm gonna wait.
You want some of this in here? Oh, that's enough. All right, go ahead, blend, mix away. Make sure you get the ends.
What about these?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I like those.
Your elbow's so close to my face.
You tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Tired. Once you do that, these are already made crust, so we don't have to make our own crust. Thank goodness. Keep blending. So now we're gonna get some. You could put the vanilla, and then we're gonna do the lemon juice.
Wait, both of them?
Drop a little bit of vanilla in there.
Wait,
Like a. Okay, show them what you do. You gotta say what you're doing. Stop. Please stop.
I got the vanilla. This is the vanilla.
Right. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I'm putting the vanilla in because I have vanilla. Do you have vanilla? I have the vanilla. Is this good enough?
More. You need a teaspoon, but go ahead. Here. Go ahead. You don't have to be afraid with the vanilla. A teaspoon. Okay.
Vanilla is really good.
It's very good.
I like vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla is very good.
Vanilla smells really good.
All right, go ahead and mix. Mix away. Ready. We would usually just heat up the pie crust, but at this moment we're gonna just use it the way it is. So we're gonna cut these lemons to have fresh lemon juice. You wanna hold it? You wanna squeeze the lemon, or you wanna let me do it? My hands are clean, guys, so you just squeeze the lemon juice and make sure you don't have no seeds. Like that one just fall in. We don't want to do the seeds. All right, you want to squeeze the other lemon? Because it's going to still taste like lemon.
My arm hurts.
Y'all, this little girl really wants to cook. She just want to eat it. Just, you know. Woo! Slippery little sucker. Oh, it's one filling right there. All right, blend.
Oh.
Let's see what it tastes like.
There you go. Can I taste? Can I test?
Go ahead, taste it. Stick your hand in there. Guys, these are London pies. They don't belong to nobody else but her and whoever else in the house gonna eat it. So if you saw her stick her hands in it, and wondering who else gonna eat the pie, she is. These pies are for her and her sister as well. But so, oh, and Dad. If Malia say so. Turn that up, guys. What it looks like. Gotta get fluffy. So we're gonna squeeze some more lemon in it, cause she thinks it needs some more. Good job, Malia. Guys, comment down below. Let Malia know she's doing a great job on making this cheesecake. Let me see if she's ready to lick that little lemon. She likes to cook, guys, because she likes to eat. But anyway, this is lemon cake. Guys, it's what we have so far. It's coming together. They're fluffy. Here, you try some more. Because she always trying to run away, guys. She's always trying to run away from work. Okay, so she's done. Nice and fluffy. Okay, I know we're supposed to heat up the pan first.
But we don't have time for that.
We don't have time for that, she said. So we're just gonna go ahead. You want one of the spoons?
No.
No. What am I saying? Be able to see it. You gotta turn it in the angle so they can see you doing it. And don't pour too much because you're the other one gotta get it. All right. We gotta save some for the next pie. Go ahead, write that in there. So you guys can see. These gonna be great, guys.
I think you did too much.
Put some more. These gonna be good pie. And after these pies, guys, we're gonna be going ahead and make the peach cobblers. Let me see.
I was gonna get some.
You try to leave some of it on the side. It's too much sweet. You gonna have too much sweet. You got ice cream. You got pies.
I don't eat pie.
Well, this is it. Here.
That's actually called cheesecake.
Pie.
Cheesecake.
Pie.
Cheesecake.
Pie.
It's cheese pie. It's like peach cobbler pie.
Why peach cobbler can't be peach cobbler?
Yeah, no.
So, let her do it. You guys see?
Don't you think this is too much?
No, that's good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You don't want to put some back in the bowl?
No, I don't want to put nothing back in the bowl because it's going to be very good. All right. Already did. So, guys, pick up the other pie.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So these are the pies. These pies take like a good about 10 minutes to make. Not a long process to make these pies. It's a 1, 2, 3, and it's done. Let's take this off of it so we can put them in the refrigerator. Okay, make sure you remove these papers and the pieces of little glue that's on here. Sometimes they come off. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do now? Here's the pies. We got 2 of these amazing cheesecake pies, guys. We're gonna cover these up.
I'm covering up the cheesecake pie because I like cheesecake.
4 hours.
And the cheesecake's gonna be in the fridge for a day.
Let it sit for 24 hours, guys. 24 hours. Make sure sealed in right. All right. So let's put them in the refrigerator. Alright, guys, so we're gonna let that sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna reveal the cake. You gonna put strawberry or anything on it?
Mm-hmm.
Just regular. She's not gonna put anything on it, just a regular cheesecake, the way she like it. Alright, so 24-hour commercial. Hi guys, so we back with the results of the cheesecake. 24 hours. What happened to the pie? We had 2 pie, remember? So now we only have this left. And happy Thanksgiving to everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So guys, yes, this is 24 hours later, and this is Malia's pie, what we made yesterday, and we only have 1 pie left. So it was tasty. It was great. She's gonna test it again. All right. How many thumbs up you want for this video? How many likes? 2 likes, that's it. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.